Today, Mummy and I are going to make a Christmas decoration for Jake. We're going to make him a Santa plate decoration. Santa's hat is bright red, just like Jake's scarf. To make this, you will need some red cards, a paper plate, some crayons, a black pen, scissors, glue, some pom-poms, lots of squishy cotton wool, and a grown-up to help you. To make this funny Santa face, you need to start by colouring in your paper plate. A nice orangey colour looks good. And then colour in his big rosy cheeks. Next, cut out his hat from some bright red paper and stick it on the plate. Get a grown-up to help you with this fiddly bit. Santa's hat is bright red, just like Jake's scarf. And now it's time to go cotton wool crazy. It's so squishy. Get a grown-up to help you put the glue all over his face, and then you can make his cotton wool beard. He looks funny. Colour in his eyes. That's better. He can see now. Carefully stick on his red pom-pom nose and his glittery pom-pom on his hat. Pop a bit of string on the top. There, all done. I wonder if the cotton wool tickles his nose. Yo-ho, let's go! And hang up Santa with some of his other Christmassy friends. Find more crafty Christmas tips and ideas at disneyjunior.co.uk.
Now click left or right for more great shows, or subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Disney Junior YouTube clips.